Hi friends, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In today's class, we will learn Macro in Excel. Macro is used to automate repetitive tasks in Excel. We can create our own shortcut key for our work and then our work will easy. जिस काम के लिए हमें 1 घंटा लगता है, कुछ मिनट्स लगते हैं, वो काम हम कुछ सेकंड में कर सकते हैं. When we are doing our regular office work, that time some work we have to do again and again. Same formatting, same sentence typing. So that time we can create shortcut key for that particular work like Control S, Control N. These some shortcut keys are already available on our keyboard, but we can create our own shortcut key for some formatting, for some text. So how to do it? We will see in today's video. Here in view menu, last option is macros. In that, second option record macro. Macro 1 is a default name. You can change here and use here shortcut key. शॉर्टकट की हमें ऐसी यूज करना है जो पहले यूज नहीं किया है. एस मीन्स सेव, एन मीन्स न्यू. तो ये जो पहले यूज किया है वो शॉर्टकट की हमें नहीं यूज करना है. सो आई विल यूज हियर एल. देन वेयर टू यूज दिस वर्कबुक. डिस्क्रिप्शन इज ऑप्शनल. एंड नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट माई वर्क हियर. So first I am going to select 5 rows and merge. Here I am writing mark sheet, roll number, then PA1, PA2, term and total. Auto sum total. Enter. And this we will make for some numbers. Now some more formatting. All borders, take in alignment center, then highlight color and font color. For first title line, increase size, center, font color is white and highlight color is as per your choice. So this formatting done. Now I will stop my macro from view macros, stop recording. So what I did here, I have made one format because I need this format regularly. So this is recorded for Control L. And if I want to use this on sheet 2, then click on sheet 2 and press their Control L. So the same formatting is displayed here. In sheet 3, Control L. Many times we are writing same sentence repeatedly. So that time also we can use macros like your organization name, school name or any sentence. So go to view and record macro. So this is macro 3 and here I am using Control Q. Control Shift Q. Okay. And recording is started. So I will write here this sentence. And now I want to stop recording. So see this Ankita's Tech Tutorial, this sentence is recorded and this recorded for Control Shift Q. So I will press here Control Shift Q. This displayed. We will try on the new sheet. Control Shift Q. That's it. If I open new file in Excel, this is a new file and here also I am trying Control Shift Q for Ankita's Tech Tutorials and Control L for the formatting. That's it. So this way we can use macro. Now whatever I saved macro, that I can use many times. This is saved on my computer. So on the same PC you can use that macros again and again. And to see the macro, here view macros. With this dialog box we can see these macros anytime. So macro 1. And if you not remember the shortcut key, then click on macro 1 and run. That macro 1 is run. That's it. This macro is available in Microsoft Word and Excel. In both applications, you can use this macro same way. This is very easy to use and it will save your time. Hope this is useful. So like, share and subscribe.